Hello, I'm Neil. Welcome back to the channel. Excuse me, we're on week 5. Every week I buy £100 worth of cryptocurrency and then see what happens over time. And every week I think long and hard about wussing out. Even though it's raining, it's actually a thunderstorm at the moment, I thought I'm going to go through with it. This is my PayPal dashboard and I have been buying cryptocurrency using the PayPal account. And this thing on my face it's a London Taxi tattoo because it's the Queen's Jubilee weekend, obviously. Let me recap where we're at. So I have spent over 4 weeks £408.04. Let's see how much that is worth in Bitcoin. The Bitcoin that I've bought each week is now worth this figure here, £381.05. So I am down by about nearly £30. But I've got good hope for this. My plan is, if Bitcoin goes down in the week, then I buy Bitcoin. And if it goes up in the last week, then I will buy a different cryptocurrency. And it's been Bitcoin every week over the last 4 weeks. Here is what Bitcoin has done in the last month. You know, red doesn't mean good, apparently. Let's see if Bitcoin has gone up in the last week. It's gone green. Oh my goodness. The value of Bitcoin has gone up by 4.17% in the last week. Now this is the first time this has happened in 5 weeks. It looks like it's had a little rally. So it's a bit of a shame because I did want to keep buying on the way down, but I'm going to play the rule. Bitcoin has gone up, so let's buy something else. Now I'm going to buy something easy and vanilla because I'm scared and I could lose all of my money. So I'm going to choose one of the 3 other currencies that PayPal offers in its crypto tab, and it only offers these 4 currencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash. It's not going to be Bitcoin Cash because that just sounds like a stupid made up cryptocurrency that's not Bitcoin but sounds a bit like it. Also, look at its logo. It's just green with the B tilted to a slightly different angle. I'm going to go for Ethereum. I know nothing about this, but I just thought I'm going to buy Bitcoin on the way down and buy other stuff on the way up. So let's look at what Ethereum has done in the last week. It too has gone up. It's almost as if it seems to do exactly what Bitcoin does. I'm sure that's not the case, but every week when I sort of take a peek at it, that's what seems to happen. Wow, the rain seems to have ended. This could be a good sign. By the way, where's my manners? My name's Neil. This is the Dad Delivers vlog where I try something new every day. And I tried signing up to Binance and Coinbase or eToro, and each platform, firstly I've never heard of these companies, and yet I have to hand over all my personal details, date of birth and personal documents. Binance didn't even get back to me when I couldn't even get myself verified with them. So I was pleasantly surprised when I saw this crypto tab on my regular PayPal account. I've got no stake in that at the moment, other than my dwindling Bitcoin reserves. So today I guess I'm trying something new, and that is I'm going to buy some Ethereum. There's the graphic and the sound effect, and the way I do that, it's a very complicated process, but all I do is go down to this big buy button down here, and then I type in what I want to buy. Now it would be £100 on the nose, but PayPal's fees drop 1 penny over £100. The fee drops from 2.3% down to 2%, so I saved 29 pence over 5 weeks. That's very nearly £1.50. So you know, you're in good hands over here. So I'm going to make this £100 and, excuse me, 1 pence. I ate a lot at our Jubilee party. We had a street party. I had a lot of bacon rashers. Then I click on the big blue next button, and now it's presenting me with a review and buy dialogue. You can see my ETH Ethereum. It's fluctuating as I'm dithering and talking with you. The transaction fee is £2, so I'm going to pay £102.01. Let's hit agree and buy. I've done it. You purchased 0.0682 Ethereum, and already my £100 worth of Ethereum is worth £99.45. I've lost 50p just in the time it took to hit that button. So what happens now if I click on the crypto tab? I've got 2 different cryptocurrencies. There are 18,000 cryptocurrencies. Maybe somehow I'll work my way through them. If you've got any tips or anything you would buy if it weren't Bitcoin or Ethereum, say hi in the comments and say what you would buy, because as we know, the best financial advice comes from YouTube comments. I have a little summary here. So I have spent £510 and 5 pence, and that £510 worth of cryptocurrency is currently worth £480 and 79 pence. I have no idea if I'm going to see this through. I'm planning to do this every week for a year, and I can barely afford that. I thought if I don't lose everything, then at least I will still have some money, and I'll have the experience and your company to see me through this. And almost on cue, the rain is now starting to fall quite heavily. If you want to see what my cryptocurrencies are worth right now, that's in this playlist here. Down below is how I bought Bitcoin for the very first time on PayPal.